Senadora Gov, Gwen, maayong gabi, daghang salamat sa imbitasyon, no? Sa among mga kauban, sa gobyerno, sa Ormoc.
Malipayon ka, I mean, na nakaabot mi diri sa Camotes. Ako first time ni nako diri. Gov Gwen, thank you very much for the invitation. Unya, first time ni nako, pero
Congressman Richard Gomez together with Mayor Lucy Torres Gomez in their Puracha Dance.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the 11 barangays here in the municipality of Tudela. Since before we go to Bukilat Cave, there is 2 barangay that we're going.
Here's our man uniform, our Coast Guard, respected Coast Guard, Sir Janes.
We'd like to remind that
Mabuhay, so this is Sagunoy leaf and samad tabal siya for samad. Samad ra?
At the same time, pwede
Tapos sa pwede sa tema tapos.
Tampos.
Ihampon.
Mabuhay and welcome to the Enchanted for the match. We need hard hat. We have already
License tour guide.
Yeah. Pag-train mo, dinit community guide.
Look good, sir. Sabelia hermosa or Katungan means mangrove. Alright? So, the rich biodiversity of Katungan, Sabelia hermosa,
Nahulot na? What is that? What's that?
It's a crab.
Huh? Oh, crab! That's so big! Okay. Okay, tourist. Kumusta naman? Kung sa may experience? Congratulations, you conquer. Congrats. Dagko kayo, katong mahagkan.
Oh, ito na ka-years century murag century. Kani kayo naka-adto dito dito dito.
Video
are awarded for passing the
Video.
gates and hitting the goal forward.
Immaculate kasi.
Ning kalibutan ngano
we have food, delicacies, local delicacies of the municipality of Porto. We have foods around the area, ladies and gentlemen. We also have picnics available for you and